how to add Snapchat friends you accidentally removed. So today in this video I will be talking about the simple trick to add Snapchat friends which you have removed accidentally. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the Snapchat section from where you'll be able to take Snapchat photos or videos. So at the left lower button right next to map there is a chat option. Simply tap over the chat, and here if you press and hold over some friend, for example let me press and hold over the conversation of one of my friend over here, and if you go for manage friendship you can go for remove friends, and once again go for remove. Now the person has been removed from my chat section. Now you have to tap over the add friend option at the right upper corner right next to three dotted horizontal line, and after that there is again three dotted horizontal line at the right upper corner. Tap over there and three options are popped up from the button. Simply go for ignore from added me, and the person which I have removed has been displayed in this section. Simply go for accept, and by doing that you can see the person is friends with me now. So this is how you can add Snapchat friends you accidentally removed. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.